Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue Windows 11 widgets are not working on your Windows 11. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So in the first step, we need to make sure that the widget setting is enabled in our system. So right click on the taskbar and simply open the taskbar setting. So once you open that, you need to locate to this location which says taskbar item. Just expand that, and inside here make sure the widgets is turned on. Now check if it is working or not. As you can see here, these are the widgets. Now it is working now. If this is the case, this should fix your issue instantly. If not, move on to the second fix. Now second fix is to check for update if any pending update on your system. So click on check for update and make sure you are using the updated Windows here. Just download, hit download button and install it, and then restart it and see if it fixed the issue or not. If it doesn't fix the issue, move on to the third step. In the third step guys, we will repair the Windows corruption if sometime Windows is corrupted. So we can repair that with the CMD as admin.